I'm going to teach you how to make my favourite pasta, cacio e pepe. It dates back to the Roman times. The story goes that Italian goat farmers back in the Roman times would head up into the mountains for days and weeks on end, herding their goats. And they needed to carry with them everyday ingredients that would last on the trip, that would also be nutritious and give them loads of energy. So what they would do is they would make beautiful pecorino cheese from the goat's milk. They would carry with them black pepper and pasta on their journey into the mountains as they protected their goats, and in return cacio e pepe was created. So there's two secrets to making the perfect cacio e pepe that I'm going to teach you in this recipe. The first secret is this: it is to make sure that you toast your beautiful black pepper until it's fragrant and gorgeous. Your black pepper has to be cracked fresh. It needs to be toasted on a high heat until fragrant, and this is really going to give this pasta that gorgeous peppery bite. The second secret to the perfect cacio e pepe is to make a pastello, which is a parmesan and pasta water dough. So to do this, you want to ladle in 1 ladle into your beautiful grated pecorino or parmesan, and using a spoon in your hands, you want to work it until it creates a firm dough as if you're making a pasta dough. And this is the trick to a creamy, velvety, smooth and delicious cacio e pepe. Making cacio e pepe is really simple. The first step is to get a pot of boiling water on the boil and make sure it's seasoned really well with some salt. We're then going to cook our beautiful pasta as per the packet. I have linguine here, and it's going to take about 5 or 6 minutes. You want to put a pan on a high heat, and then you want to crack black pepper fresh. It has to be fresh into the pan. And what we're going to do is toast that black pepper in that pan until it's fragrant and beautiful. Once your black pepper is toasted and gorgeous, you want to grab a ladle of that beautiful pasta water and put it into that pan with the black pepper. You want to simmer that pasta water and black pepper until it's reduced, it's thick, glossy and gorgeous. From there, you want to put your parmesan or pecorino, or parmesan and pecorino, into a bowl, and you want to fold in another ladle of that pasta water in with your beautiful cheese. This is the secret to cacio e pepe. To make sure that your beautiful cacio e pepe is smooth and velvety and not chunky, you want to make this beautiful parmesan dough. So you have your pasta cooking, you have your black pepper toasted and now soaking and reducing in water, and you have your gorgeous parmesan dough. We're going to transfer our 90% cooked pasta into that pan with the pasta water and black pepper. We're going to continue to cook the pasta with that black pepper water, moving it and tossing it. And what this is doing is it's cooking the pasta, but it's also releasing all of that beautiful pasta starch into that water with the black pepper. And this is going to help create a beautiful creamy combined sauce. Now take your pan off the stove. I'm going to crumble through that parmesan dough over the top of that pasta and toss it through. Keep it moving until it's creamy and delicious. And that is how easy it is to make fresh, gorgeous cacio e pepe pasta at home. Thanks for watching. Do me a favour, leave some comments below. Give the recipe a crack. Check out bondiharvest.com. Stay safe, cook lots. We'll see you next recipe.